ain't got enough of this fever. I know, I know. Nothing would remain and you don't wanna go. So go. Cause you're picking your place, no time to waste. I wanna love you but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again.
Hello, my beautiful cherries. Thank you for being here and spending some of your precious time with me. So I'm making for breakfast today some pinwheels or roll-ups or rollitos rellenos de jamón y queso, however you want to call it. So I have a few items that I want to use before they go bad. So I went through my fridge and I found some ham, some cheese, some bacon, some veggies that obviously I want and need to use. So I was like, ooh, and I found some crescent rolls too. So I was like, bam, bam, boom. I have everything that I need to make that. So I'm gonna start prepping everything. So let me show you how I make it, okay? Come on, let's go.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that.
So I already got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. So I have some crescent rolls here, some bacon, some diced ham, some veggies. There I have jalapeno, onion, peppers. This is a combo of some cheddar, Asiago, and Romano cheese. And this is some mozzarella. I'm going to be using as well some of this boursin, shallot, and chive spread. So let me start. So I'm just closing all the gaps that I got here in my dough. Just like this. Perfect. So I'm just gonna start adding all my ingredients here, and then I'm just gonna roll it. So I decided to leave it like this in a log. I'm just gonna, I like to add instead of egg, I like to add butter, just for extra flavor. It's just me. So I'm just gonna add some butter. That's my son in the background. So let me just. Gordo, you want some pinwheels? Huh?
Can you give me some pinwheels?
Yes, mi amor. You want some?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I'm gonna top it off with some of my mix of cheeses here. Okay. Perfect. So this goes in the oven for, I don't know, I would say 15-20 minutes, and I'll get back to you guys. This is the final result. It looks yummy, delicious. So yeah, it took 15 minutes at 350 degrees and 2 extra minutes broiled. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead, cut it, enjoy it with my son, and I'll show you guys the end result. So look at these beauty, delicious. My son is super excited about this. So I'm just gonna cut a piece. Show you guys how it looks inside. Oh my god, look at that. Wow. Look at that. Yes, mi amor. Ah, say ah. Look at these. Wow. Let me just show you. Wow. This turned out delicious. So I served.
Thank you.
Welcome, your mom. So I've served myself a piece. You're welcome, your mom, and my son. So let's see how this turned out. How is it? You like it? Is it delicious?
Yes.
Yes? You like it? Well, here you go, guys. Toddler approved. You guys gotta make this. This is delicious. Hi. You guys gotta try it. Highly, highly recommend. So I'm gonna keep enjoying this with my son, and see you guys on the next. Bye.